Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the edition. In today's newspaper on Friday, May the 12th, 2023, I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 1-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary, and it's time now for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. This one will be number 6426. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Always a 1. Put the 1 there. It's always a 1. Then the following question. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. The 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order. I need more information. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Same for here, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle triple boxes then? Let me check. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes here. Wow. I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Here also a quadra box. Here also a quadra box. Well, here we have 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. And when you see a quadra box and an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. Okay. Here, this quadra box, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Same for this quadra box, could be everywhere, all the numbers. Well, then my following strategy, my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, let me see. Let me draw this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. It's a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here, another one, but upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. More? No. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2 here. 1 or 2. Alright. 1 or a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Rotate it. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. I believe the last shape, the Z or the S construction. If you rotate this to the right, you will get the S. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. And that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Interesting. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. And these 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Wow. This one is not easy, not easy. Well. Let me think here. Here I need to think. These 2 boxes can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here or there, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this area for the 4. So could be here, could be there. Okay. So this box can be 4. This box can be 1. Interesting. Need to think. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. No 3 here. But also that box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be there. This box can be 3. Okay. So these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this S construction should be there. So 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those. 2 and 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 4. Alright. That means I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Can be 4. We have a double 4 there. And can be 5. We have a double 5 there. Yeah, definitely a 1 then. Alright. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here, okay. These 2 boxes can be 4 because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here or there, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 4 in this quadruple box should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Interesting. 2 should be here, no 2 here. Okay. Then 1 box left in this corner box for number 1. Alright, this box can be a 2. So 2 could be, that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and the 5. Alright. Now we have a 2 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 2, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for us. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can't be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes, so this box should be a 5. Alright, 1 box left in this W area shape for number 4. Alright. This box can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 5 and a 1, 5 and 1, and 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright, now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We have a double 4 here. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 2, and that box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Wait. Then. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. So 2 numbers left. In this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box. Should be there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 3 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Alright. This box can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. 1 digit left in this area for number 4. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box. Should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this quadra box. 1 was 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes at there. I marked those two boxes together with a 2. We have a 2 now. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes here. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright. 1 or a 2. I marked this box with 1 or a 2. We have a 2 now. So this box can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. Alright. I marked those two boxes earlier with 4. We have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes there. And 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright. And now, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 5 are left. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be there. This box can be a 1, this box can be a 4, so 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 5. Did I make a mistake? Come on. Did I make a mistake? Why can I not? Well, I'm stuck here. How can I stuck here? Well, if I place a 5 here, then this should be a 1. Then this should be a... Oh, yeah, of course. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Overlooked. Now 1 box left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 5. Finish in 60 minutes. Well. Overlook this 4 at the end. But is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise it should be a 1 star. It's a 2 stars. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Yes, it's weekend. Tomorrow on Saturday. Until then, bye-bye for now.